reduced attraction wait times, a classic fireworks spectacular, and free drinks and snacks. There's lots to do after hours at Magic Kingdom. So here are a few tips on how to make every minute count. Welcome, not so foolish mortals. This is Mouseterclass. Do have a plan. Map out the attractions you don't want to miss and then hit rides close by. Fantasyland has a high ride concentration, so that might be a good place to start. Don't go without a plan. Seriously, there's no time to waste, so try not to bounce around. Keep transition times short and avoid long lines unless they're on your must-do list. Do have dinner beforehand. Snacks and beverages are available throughout the night, but a full meal will cost you precious time. We recommend hitting Casey's Corner around 9:30 to fuel up. Don't miss Enchantment. One of our favorite fireworks shows is back for a limited time, and it's absolutely worth it. A good time for a snack and transition from one side of the park to the other. Do get there early. Your after-hours ticket gives you access to the park as early as 7 p.m., so you can do a few rides and get some food before the event officially starts at 10 p.m. Don't leave before it's over. Riding your favorites multiple times and getting a pic with a castle with zero crowds will always be worth staying past your bedtime. Just don't be a hero and try to rope drop the following morning. Do grab a Mickey bar, or two. Swing by a cart and grab an ice cream bar, popcorn, water, and soft drinks, all free and included with your ticket, while you enjoy a quick stroll around an almost empty park on your way to the next attraction. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that button and ding that bell to get notified every time a new lesson is uploaded, so you can be the sharpest tool in Constance Hatchaway's shed. Mouseterclass dismissed.